Welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. In today's video, I'm going to give you 3 profitable Amazon KDP keywords for the day, and these keywords are research using for free Chrome extensions, which I went ahead and I made a full video for you linked in the description box below, where I talk about everything that you need to know to get started doing your own Amazon KDP keyword research exactly the same way as I am doing right over here in the videos on the channel. So first of all, before we get started, if you're new to the channel, we do daily profitable Amazon KDP keyword videos where we reveal KDP keywords that have been researched carefully. We give you the analytics, we give you some ideas to help you get started and how to over deliver while creating unique books for these keywords. So if you're interested in these kind of videos, go ahead and subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon in order to be informed on all our new videos. Now with that being said, let's head over to the first keyword for the day, and our first keyword for the day is Gerd diet cookbook for beginners. Now this has a keyword niche score of 52 by self-publishing Titans Chrome extension, and it also has a keyword niche score of number 7 by Amazon Scout Pro Chrome extension. Now I do apologize if you could hear anything in the background noise. It is currently the autumn holidays and I would like to get this video out to you as soon as possible, so trying my best to minimize as much background noise as possible. So we've got a keyword niche score of number 7 by Amazon Scout Pro, which beautifully complements the 52 by self-publishing Titans. Also, the total results are 411, sitting below 1000, which is good. The average bestseller rank is between 300 to 400,000, which is also a good indicator. Of course, the lower the better, and it is currently averaging 379,828. Average reviews are 1,364, and average price is $13.11. Now usually with these kind of books in the cookbook theme, you get quite a lot of average review rate because customers are more willing to interact with the seller in terms of giving their feedback, maybe taking some screenshots of the actual interior of the book, maybe their favorite recipes, maybe uploading a video of them applying or doing their favorite recipe, making their favorite recipe. My apologies, I'm running out of words here. So all that is positive, hopefully positive interaction, and that's exactly what we'll be aiming for as well. Now for this book, you're going to be actually doing a beginner's guide or a beginner's cookbook for the Gerd diet. And if you're not familiar with the Gerd diet, I highly recommend you go in and do your own research. And if you're not willing to write the cookbook yourself, you can go ahead and outsource that to a writer on Fiverr or a experienced writer on any other writing platform. And also you can go ahead and create a part 2 series, which is utilizing the exact same keyword but make it more of a logbook or a track book or a meal planner. So you'd go ahead and go Gerd diet cookbook for beginners, meal planner, and that would be more of a interior that you get using Creative Fabrica, and you would customize it by adding some initial maybe like must-have ingredients or shopping list for the Gerd diet, maybe have an introduction, maybe have some hacks and tips and tricks for those that are new to the Gerd diet. So you could customize this in whatever way you see necessary. If you're wanting to create the cookbook, go ahead and create a cookbook for beginners, maybe featuring the top 30, top 60 recipes for beginners who are new to the Gerd diet, or have a meal planner or a logbook that way by creating a low content book. So that again, the choice is yours. My job here is just to give you keywords that I consider profitable with the metrics as well, and just talk a little bit about some of the books that are ranking for this keyword that are also currently having a really good bestseller rank and making daily and monthly consistent sales, such as this one with a BSR score of 52,000. Now this is not sponsored, so there's no ads running. Also, when you look at the title and the subtitle, you do not find the exact keyword as it is worded right here in neither the title nor the subtitle, which means that they have utilized this as part of their 7 keyword slots. So if you currently have anything to do with the Gerd diet, anything to do with maybe another specific diet cookbook or meal planner or logbook, go ahead and update this keyword as part of the 7 keyword slots to get your book ranking for this keyword because it's connected. as well. And always use your own common sense when it comes to these kind of things, and always double check for trademark. If you suspect that there is a word that is trademark, just go ahead and double check that as well. So let's head over to the second keyword for the day, and it's organic baby food cookbook, and the same thing applies to what I've said about the previous niche as well. Instead, what's different about this one is that it has a slightly higher average bestseller rank, which really pushes me to consider this more of a keyword to utilize for the 7 keyword slots. If you're currently writing or making a meal planner, for example, a logbook, a track book about organic baby food cookbook, anything to do with that, then use and utilize this wonderful keyword as part of your 7 keyword slots. And that's basically because of the high average bestseller rank of 840,901, and it has total results between that 1,000 and is currently sitting at 1,214 with a niche score of 50 and a niche score of number 8 by Amazon Scout Pro Chrome extension. So that was the data for this keyword, best to be used for the 7 keyword slots. Any low content book that you currently have about baby food or organic baby food meal planner would be amazing. So that was the second keyword. Let's head over quickly to the third keyword. And our third keyword is another keyword that you could also utilize for the 7 keyword slots. And our third keyword is the intuitive eating workbook for teens, and it has a niche score of 50 and it has a niche score of number 8 by Amazon Scout Pro Chrome extension. Now with this keyword, we have a total results under 1,000, which is currently sitting at 165. Average bestseller rank is quite high in the 800,000, which is more ideal for using it in the 7 keyword slots for anything to do with workbook for teens that has to do with eating as well. So utilize this wonderful keyword in the 7 keyword slots, or go ahead and create your own keyword, your own book, my apologies, based on this wonderful keyword right over here, the intuitive eating workbook for teens, with an average bestseller rank of 818,135, an average reviews of 316, average price of $18.23. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.